All right, everyone. So, a quick lesson on how you can combine features that we have in Trade Ideas to potentially boost results a little bit. Now, I'm looking at here at PRQR, which is one of our AI recommendations today at 281, or sorry, 298, right there. You can see that little blue area. Now, a lot of people, myself including, have a bit of a problem knowing when and how long to stay into a position. And one of the things that I think you can do is use something like TradeWave. So now we have our AI, and now we have TradeWave that's using moving averages to kind of determine the trend and tell you when to stay in the trend. And when moving averages are blue like this and you're above the moving average, you're in an uptrend. And until an S happens on your chart, you're going to remain to be an uptrend. So this particular trade right here is very interesting to say, hey, I'm able to stay in this trade even though it's been very, very volatile until we break down and close under this cloud for whatever time frame trader you are. If I'm going to take any intraday trade, it's going to be a 15-minute chart or longer myself. Now, if we take a look at something like this VS, for example, this actually shows up as a loss currently on the Trade Ideas thing, but I didn't take this as a loss because it took a short right in through here as this thing was rallying. I'm not very much a revision to the mean guy, too much. So I just kind of ignored this one entirely. But then I saw it come back through TradeWave as a short right on this candle right here. And I know the AI has calculated the statistics that this thing is going to be lower than 536 by the end of the day. Well, using TradeWave to say, hey, I'm going to start shorting this and I'm going to get involved in this particular name only after it starts to break down under this, and I'm going to ride this as long as it stays under this moving average, gave me a better lower risk entry. And don't know, it's still an hour and a half left in the day, but it could end up being a better trade than just, taking that stop out. At the very worst, unless we really ramp up and close at highs here, at the very worst, it's going to be a little bit of a winner. If this thing starts to fall apart and move lower all day, maybe it'll be a bigger winner. So just start to think about how this is how systematic traders trade. We take something that has an edge, which TradeWave has an edge. We take something else that has an edge, which the AI has an edge, and we try to combine those things. We try to build systems on top of that. So, for example, your trading plan may look like I'm going to only take trades that the AI recommends, and I'm going to use the TradeWave to help keep me in the direction of the trend on that trade. And then combining those two things, I think it may make your life a little bit easier because now not only have you systematized the stock selection, but you've also systematized the entry and exit. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys soon.